Hello, my name is Hannah Mills, and I'm a student at Coastal Carolina University. I'm having the opportunity to look back on our reflection within Assignment 8 and other courses that have built up to this project. In EDIT 680, we are going to take a look into instructional designing and create a plan where there's problems within our building, but create steps and solutions that we're going to take to be able to make the project a little bit better and to see the goal and growth that's going to take place throughout the school year once this goal and these steps are implemented. Come with me as we take a look on within our project to see exactly what we need to do to be successful as a whole. And when reflecting back upon Assignment 8 in EDIT 680, I chose to focus my group at Aner Elementary. I chose to look at grades K through 5 and decide what needs were appropriate when creating a solution for technology within our school building. Here at Aner Elementary, we have many technological devices that can be used within our school building. Teachers are fortunate enough to have document cameras, iPads for all students, a teacher iPad, a laptop, and everything else that you could think of. We also are able to check out items from the library for student needs and teacher needs as well. We are very blessed here at Aner Elementary to have these technologies within our hands for our usage of our instructional programs. Within the semester, I have had the opportunity to uncover instructional uses within our building to collect data for the appropriate amount of training needed for teachers and students to feel successful. Focusing on our school through many grade levels, I have found that the deficit that we have is the lack of pre-training teachers on instructional apps, devices, lack of time for educators to fix technical errors, and lack of support for students to receive training upon instructional apps and devices. The solution that I feel confidently to unpack the issue above would be to properly train students to provide consistent growth, take time to educate educators, to train them properly on the apps before putting them into use. I would also ask for an instructional aide to work part-time or to add extra special rotations for students to have the use of computer labs, and they can be effectively used to pull in and discuss new technology needs that exist each year. In my findings after researching many articles around the topic of technology, it really influences students as a whole. Studies prove that students who have devices in their hand when reading and writing are creating positive results in the area of phonemic awareness, fluency, vocabulary, and comprehension. All these literacy domains are crucial when incorporating technology and allowing students to have these experiences within the classroom. This helps support the idea that instructional aides are needed in a primary role other than just relying on a media specialist. The desired state is that the instructional technology aides are needed in all educational settings. In a computer-based class to teach students on how to properly interact with technology-based apps is a need. My goal, looking back and moving forward in this project, is that instructional aides will be hired once again so that effective computer lab time will be created in schools and the focus can be on the newest technology and needs among students.